Here one, read the question very carefully, draw the diagram. Okay, diagram is very important. You draw the diagram means you will get definitely correct answer. Okay, so now let AB be the surface of the leg. So this is AB. This is AB, surface of the leg. This is above the leg. This is below the leg. Okay. And let P be the point of observation. This is point of observation. Okay. Such that AP equal to H meter. In ground level, listen, this is surface. This is point of observation. So distance between surface and the point of observation is H. Okay. Let C be the position of the cloud. C is the position of the cloud. Okay. C dash be its reflection in the lake. C dash. This is C. This is C dash. Reflection on the cloud. C dash. Okay. CB equal to C dash B. C B. C dash B. The both are equal. So this X. This is H. So X plus H. Okay. Clear? Now let PM be the PM. PM be the perpendicular from P on CB. CB. This line and this line. The two lines are perpendicular. So these two lines are perpendicular. You clear? So now angle CPM equal to theta 1. CPM. This angle theta 1. Angle MPC, MPC dash, theta 2. Let CM equal to X. CM value X. You take X. Okay, wow. Let CB equal to CM plus MB by given condition. By given condition, these two values are same. So CM plus PA, X plus H. So this value X plus H. Okay. Now in the triangle CPM. Okay. Take this triangle. This is right angle triangle. You know we have tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta. So this theta value theta 1. So tan theta 1 is equal to CM by PM. This implies tan theta equal to CM already you know. CM value X. So X by AB. So divide convert to multiple. Multiple convert to divide. So AB equal to X by tan theta 1. So 1 by tan theta is written as 1 by tan theta 1 is written as cot theta 1. So X cot theta. This is equation number 1. Next, take another triangle. In triangle PMC dash. PMC dash. This is angle theta 2. This one theta 1. This one theta 2. So tan theta 2 equal to, this is tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Opposite side C dash M, adjacent PM. C dash M by PM. Tan theta 2 is equal to C dash M. C dash M. So X plus H plus H. So X plus 2H. 6 this value. Okay. So divide convert to multiple. Multiple convert to divide. So AB is equal to X plus 2H by theta 2. AB equal to X plus 2H. 1 by tan theta is written as cot theta 2. This is equation number 2. Once more explain this step only. In the sum, AB is the surface area. P is the point of observation. This C is the cloud. C dash is the reflection of the cloud. Okay. And then in triangle MPC, this is theta 1, this is theta 2. First take this triangle and next one take this triangle. This is right angle triangle, this is also right angle triangle. Right angle triangle formula tan theta 1. This is tan theta 1 opposite by adjacent. So opposite side what? X by PM. Okay. So X by PM. PM PMAB. Both are equal. This is square. Square means opposite sides are equal. AB equal to x by tan theta 1 equal to x cot theta 1. This is equation number 1. Next, take this triangle PMC dash. We have tan theta 2 equal to opposite is C dash M by PM. So tan theta 2 equal to x plus h plus h means x plus 2h by AB. So AB is equal to x plus 2h divided by tan theta 2. Okay, wow. So AB is equal to x plus 2h into 1 by tan theta is written as cot theta 2. Listen students, this sum continuous. I said the next video. Okay, you clearly first understand equation 1 and equation 2. Next video use equation 1 and equation 2 to prove the given condition. Thank you.